Hello everyone, welcome to Pleasant Rise. Today, I'm sharing some easy ways to make money. If you're interested in side hustles, online businesses, or just earning some extra income, keep watching. Let's dive in. The first method is straightforward: working a regular job. This is the most common way to earn a steady paycheck. A job gives you a stable income, but it may not always cover all your needs. That's why many people look for other ways to boost their earnings. Freelancing is a great option for those who want more flexibility. This means you do jobs for different clients without being tied to one employer. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with clients needing services like writing, design, and tech support. Freelancing lets you choose your work and earn from home. Another great idea is starting an online store. You can sell products on sites like Etsy, Shopify, or even Amazon. You could sell handmade items, digital products, or try dropshipping, where you sell products without needing to handle the inventory. Make sure to pick items people are interested in. Investing can be a powerful way to make money over time. You can invest in things like stocks or even real estate. Stocks allow you to grow your money, but it's important to learn the basics before investing. Real estate, like buying rental properties, can also bring in steady income. Next, let's talk about passive income, or money that keeps coming in with little ongoing effort. One option is affiliate marketing, where you earn a commission by promoting products you like. Creating content on YouTube, blogs, or social media can also generate passive income. You can earn from ads, sponsors, and affiliate sales while sharing your passion. Creating a personal brand online can be a powerful way to make money. Social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube are perfect for building an audience. Once you have a following, brands might pay you to promote their products. Building a brand takes time, but it can lead to exciting opportunities. So there you have it, from working a job to freelancing, starting an online store, investing, and building a brand. There are plenty of ways to make money. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-making tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.